Hi Jessica, me again. I just wanted to show you that the outlet here has been fixed. I'm going to plug it in. And you see it's got two lights. Let me see if I put my glasses on. Two lights means correct. See the correct at the bottom there? And I'm also going to test it because this is a tester to test the ground fault itself to make sure it works. And it does. That's what it's supposed to do if it trips. And I'm going to reset it. And the power is back on. So all's good. I don't think there's anything else that really needs video. Oh, you know what? While I got this running, the gate has been corrected. Let me get out here. So that's functioning nicely. Sorry. Perfect. And you see you got a nice gap there now instead of rubbing all the way down. It's nice and even. So once again, here's the gate. And close it. Perfect. We're going to put a bolt in there. Oh, also, while we're here, this was the pipe that was sticking out of the ground, so that's been ground down and smoothed out, so it's can't cut yourself on it. And I think there was another one out here. Is this it? No, it's over here. This was sticking out. Probably more than the other one, but it wasn't sharp, but it was still sticking out. So that's flush now. And I think that's about it. Oh, we also installed a new roller on the bottom of the gate. So we are all set. And please let me know if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much for watching.